Hello, everybody. Welcome to Naija Daughter TV show. Yes, so I come again. No, I come again. Thank you very much, all my returning subscriber. God bless you. I really do appreciate every one of you. Yes, today my topic is this: our sister, our Ghanaian sister. She na Christian music. She dey sing Christian music. She na musician. She dey sing Christian music. Then I'll still put the video me una watch. No, anything about this channel, I must surely bring the video out. You understand? I must surely bring the video out for you guys to watch. Yes, this our Ghanaian sister. The talk just today, social media now, say na Christian, say she dey sing Christian music, say she can't dey drink. Yes, for me, I come to still drop my own opinion. You understand? Like me, I don't like drink. It doesn't mean I don't like drink. Then I'll criticize her to those who they drink. I don't like drink. I don't even like the smell. Come on, the smell of drink. In fact, it will be like smell and vomit. I don't like drink. This our Ghanaian sister, she they sing, then she drink, can't they dear, whether in a bottle of NXC, I've been a bottle of you know, she can't they drink, she can't they dance. Then people in the world, when they see say you don't dey progress, they want try break you down. Not I'm preaching for her to drink. You know, Jesus Christ turned a water to wine. He said drink but don't be drunk. Drink, don't be drunk. It doesn't mean she dey shine. Now one try spoil the career. Those, you know, African mentality. Hey, Christian, that woman when they sing, well, I beg, I don't want to buy music again. You, when you bring her video, come and say, make them see and say she dey drink. I been she by herself, just put herself off camera, say she dey drink. If not be she just by herself, put her say, now you, when you dey watch me and watch her so, or when you see the social media because you want to grow your platform, because everybody want to grow their platform. They feel do undo, you bring something come out for social media to bring other person down. It's not good like that, eh? Life is not good like that, okay? It doesn't mean she's a Christian. She dey sing Christian music and she loves to drink. So far, she drink, but don't be drunk. For me, I dey advise as if you be mother, no drink. I beg, yes, no drink, okay? If you as a woman, you can't drink, how you going to take care of your children? How you going to take care? Because children, you need to be there for your children. And drink, once drink, it don't master you. You don't finish. I know they advise any woman make them drink. But this our sister, if you be her friend, when leave this video come out, what you supposed to do, you call her, the advisor. If you can't fall in career, now maybe career come for, wait till be again. Yes, she dey sing Christian music, and so she's a Christian, and so so God is there. We just need advice. We don't need somebody to just talk to us. As na do and so e no good. She just dey happy. Whether na she put herself for there. If na she still put herself for there, na not say she drunk. She drink. Maybe she dey happy. Like, I not like drink. Maybe I not come my comment section say, hey, you say you be Christian, you not be Christian. No, I'm not encourage person, but for anybody who want try, for someone to try to bring human be like her down, I'm against it. It's not good. I believe this person who bring this video out, or maybe the person take it from her phone, or maybe I don't know, maybe she put herself on social media, then you guys should leave her. She's adult, she get family, she get people. What it come to now own? One of the blaster now they carry this thing, a Christian musical, they sing, a person they sing Christian music, they drink. Now your mouth take drink. For me, I know there any both parts. You be woman, not drink. You, when they carry matter, they go everywhere. What do you want to get if you fall in career? Let her be. She's happy. She need to know she's happy. But you, my sister, if this my video get to you, please drink. No good for woman. I beg you. Okay? If like me, if I want display now, I don't need to drink. Oh, I go display. Oh lo. If you want display, if you get the talent, you don't need to drink. Now make if our children want enter music, will say no, they will give the hard drug, so that no natural talent today. You don't even need anything. You don't even need nothing to take move. Okay? Thank you everybody for subscribing. I don't know how they bring cheese. Please just love me, just like me, the way I am, the way I am, the way I am. I'll see you in my next video. Okay, please subscribe to this YouTube channel. Yeah, I think you love me. I think you like me for who I am. Now watch the video TV. Subscribe to me. Turn the bell on. Okay, so that anytime I upload my video, you'll be the first person to watch and drop comment and like. Okay, I appreciate all my returning subscribers. All my returning subscribers. God bless you. God bless you. Oniva.